Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, let's take a look again at the euro currency. When the euro currency turns to the significant action, this is always interesting. And finally we have got right on Friday the upward continuation that we have expected to see on this market. Speaking about the daily time frame chart and a very short-term perspective on the coming week, we have not very significant upside potential, since the target for the next week stands approximately at 138.50 area. Here as well you can see the weekly pivot resistance one, slightly high stands the daily overbought level. The major concern on the possible targets on the coming week is whether the market will try and attempt to challenge these highs or not, or it will just hit this target and then will show some reaction on this. Among the targets we see not just this ABCD pattern 618 extension, but also we have this minor ABCD pattern that has the same target and the same area as 138.50 area. So that will be our destination point on the coming week. I'm speaking about the challenging of these highs because if you will pay attention to our first extension that we have traded and now is trading, as you can see, the market by this area has hit the 100% extension of that ABCD. Particularly by these reasons we have expected the retracement down here that we have traded on the previous week. But take a look, 1618 extension stands right at the daily overbought and right in front of the previous highs. That's why if market will reach this target, and since we will have the non-farm payrolls release on Friday, I can't exclude that market could really do an attempt to challenge these highs, at least wash out the stops that have been placed here at the first stage right in the end of the week. So keep an eye on this moment. If you will have an idea to take into short position by some reason from this area, somewhere from this area, be careful of this extension. So place stops above these extensions. But still, my thought is that on the coming week we probably have more bullish sentiment, bullish spirit of the market rather than bearish. That's why we will be focused mostly on the trading market on the long side, at least in the first half of the week, because trends are bullish on the all time frame charts. Market has and shows the bullish development, absolutely normal. Even from the theoretical point of view, this is perfect price behavior, flawless price behavior, in fact, from the market mechanics point of view. So let's take a look into 4-hour time frame chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart we see this ABCD pattern that we have just discussed on the daily time frame chart, and that is the retracement that has followed after the market has hit this target. Okay, and particularly by these reasons we said on the previous week that probably market could show some retracement down that we could use for taking the long position. And that retracement has reached the confidence support, as we have discussed on the 4-hour time frame chart yesterday on Friday. Market has hit this area, and that was the opportunity to take the long position. Although, as I said yesterday, since we didn't get any patrons here, I said, well, that's a bit not sufficient for me to take the long position, so we do not have any patrons besides of the strong levels. And as you can see, even with no patrons, market has shown the upward continuation and in fact perfect action. So but this simultaneously makes the situation simpler for us, because as major retracement already has happened as the reaction on this ABCD pattern, this action that was preferred, this retracement, is not very interesting for us for the short-term trading, since here starts the new, in fact we could say that's new leg to the upside, the new history to the upside. And we will be mostly focused on this swing to the upside, because here market should not show any significant retracement, because it already has happened. Any retracement true extended to the downside below these levels will be warning sign for the bulls. That's why in the beginning of the next week we will be mostly focused on the shallow retracement that will let us to take the position on the long side of the market with the upside potential to the 138.50 area. So you can see this 100 pips approximately, not very small move for the short-term trading. This level, as you can see, is a combination of the three different types of the levels. So that is the fib support, 137.55, that thrust up, 38 fib support. That is the weekly pivot point on the common wick. And that is also the natural support resistance line. So here it was the resistance again was broken to the upside. Now it will be the support. That's why I think that this is very good level. It's very suitable for possible taking the long position. If market will show the reasonable gradual retracement at this level, maybe even will form some reversal pattern in this area on the lower time frame charts, that could be the really nice chance to take in the long position. On the hourly time frame chart, we see that market also has hit the 1618 extension target from this development and has shown the very nice thrust, although the major part of the thrust is just a single candle to the upside, but still it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bars to the upside. And in general, maybe this is not the pure setup for the double repo sell pattern, but still I think that we could treat it as the double repo lookalike pattern. And particularly this pattern could trigger the retracement to the downside on the 4-hour time frame chart. Also pay attention that this is minimum target of the double repo. If it will be formed and if market will start move down, that will be the 50% level of the thrust of the double repo, and that is the normal target of the double repo. And what is more significant for us is that this level stands precisely in the same area as 137.58 approximately, so it coincides with this area. That's why you can see how puzzle has been collected. So different patterns, different time frame charts you could put together, and all of these pictures point approximately on the same scenario. So the combination of the patterns really amazing, and the levels. Well, that's our short-term setup. If market will hit the target of the 138.50, 138.80 area close to the end of the week, well, the next stage will be to understand and to monitor the reaction of this resistance. Maybe market will show some retracement to the downside. That will be absolutely normal. That market usually does in such situations. So that's been said. In the beginning of the week, our primary object is to wait retracement to the 137.50, 137.55 area. And there we will be looking for taking the long position with the target with the destination point around 138.50.